akala mo parang siguro tapos yung eksena to 15 minutes, higa lang naman niya. Diba, kukunin niya, gusto ko minsan 2 hours. Anong meron? Kasi nga, inaayos sa yung makeup, tapos particular ako sa picture, and then yung camera positions, yung ilaw, kailangan ayusin.
Okay, next question from Sir Albert of Chicken SF.
Hello, good afternoon. Hi po. Ayan. So, to Direct June, what are you trying to educate us in diabetes?
Oh no, I'm not trying to educate anyone. That's the last thing that I would want to do as a filmmaker. I would like you to experience the story. Siguro, laugh with the character, cry with the character, but never educate. Kasi ayoko talaga, ito yung moral lesson, ito yung makuha. Kailangan tanggapin niyo yung trans community. Never. Matatawa tayo, matutuwa tayo, makikita natin yung kwento nila. Mamahalin natin yung character. And that's it. I'm just really telling a story. I mean, of course, I told you guys earlier about the inspiration about Jennifer Lawler. But I'm not here to make a statement, to politicize the film. I'm just really here to tell the story, and hopefully, telling that story, I was able to humanize yung napaka-abstract minsan na idea kung ano yung pagiging isang transgender. At mamahalin yung audience. Doon lang.
And with the recent issues sa MMFF about increasing movie sales, na babawasan, magkakaroon ng mga discounted tickets, what's your take on that?
Kami naman kasi sinusundan namin kung ano yung mandate, kung ano yung mga pagbabago ng MMFF, like yung mere fact na nagbago rin yung criteria this year. It opened doors for us. And naisip namin na dahil nagbago yung criteria, parang perfect yung movie namin, sinabit namin. So, sumusunod kami dun sa criteria, dun sa rules. Kung tinuloy nila yung 30% at sinabi ito yung kailangan mo gawin, susunod kami. Pero of course, ang concern din namin, kailangan makukuha namin yung support ng lahat. Naiintindihan ko rin kasi yung 30% na yan, napaka-delicate na usapan yan dahil ibig bang sabihin yung 30% discount, producers lang ang sasagot. May sharing ba na gagawin yung cinemas, yung exhibitors? Kasi kinakailangan magtulungan. Pero kung hindi magkakasundo, then baka, may kailangan ibang gawin. Kasi ang dami ng changes na ginawa ngayong taon na to So baka dapat dahan-dahan, hinay-hinay, and then may mga learnings na pwedeng i-apply next year sa susunod na naman.
Okay. Thank you. For Paolo na